All right, today I am going to show you how to turn on parental controls for a Mac computer. Very important if you're a parent and you don't want your child searching various things on the internet. So what we're going to do is I am going to get to the system preferences window, okay? And I get there by going through the Launchpad, all right? Now once in Launchpad, I'm going to go to system preferences, okay? Once that is open, I will look for the parental controls. And for this particular Mac, it is at the bottom of the screen. All right. You see where it says parental controls. I am just going to tap on that. All right. Once I tap on that, okay, it shows me parental controls lets you manage your children's use of this computer, the applications on it, and the internet. All right. Very cool. All right. It has selections. You can do one of two things, all right? What would you like to do? Create a new user account with parental controls, convert this account to parental controls account. You can change this account that you're currently on to a parental controls account if you'd like to, but you don't have to. So I'm just going to go here, create a new user account with parental controls, tap on that, enter your password, and it gets in there. And then you're able to enter the name of the account, all right? The full name, the account name, password verify, password hint. All right, and then you can adjust the age to all of this right here. Okay, 4 plus, 9 plus, 12 plus, 17 plus. All right, and then once you're done, you just create user, and you've created a parental controlled account. All right, thanks a lot for watching. Let me know if you have any questions.